get you one way or another. 20x on pachinko, 5100 and a double in the very corner. Times 20. Sorry, just...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Let's go there. We are here. You got a cash hunt this time. It's a 15,000 winners compliment style of you, and let's go. Woo, woo, woo. I love this day, guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so who's gonna find the 1000x? Make your shootings, guys. Where are you gonna make it? In the middle column. On this one, beautiful bunny, which we can see. On maybe that cactus. On that one, bunny. Where is the 1000, guys? Find it.
This is the amount of money issued to 161,290 euros.
Spot, guys. Who found it? My compliments. Let's go back to the world. Woo-hoo. I can see now they had the 1000. It's an OC as well. Woo! That was awesome, guys. Now that's the biggest win for today. The highest one. 1000x on the cash hand. You're welcome, guys. You are welcome. All right, good luck to everyone.
That was good, man.
That was good.
That was strong.
What's poppin', guys? How we doing? Name is Vaz. How's it going? Morning. Peace. This one we're gonna spend together, everybody. Let's go for it. Guys, you heard that? You heard that? You heard that sound? Oof. That's the, how do you call it? The bro clap? All right, let's go for it, guys. This we're gonna spend together. Let's try to get something nice, something tasty. Coin flip with 5x on the top slot out there. Hey, let's go. What a beginning. All right. Coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go for it. But hold on. Let's take a look at our multis, and then a little magic gonna happen, you know? 5x on the red side. Yo! Guys, 5x multi on top makes it 25x on the red side and 500x on the blue side of the corner out there. Team Blue, yes please, best of luck, come on.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,898,669 euros.
The first spin, guys, we got this 500x multiplier, everybody. How many winners? I don't even see how many winners. Congratulations, everyone. Yes. This is how we do it. Idle top on 197,000 euros went out there. Woo! We're doing it. We're doing it. Man, I was not ready for that at all.
Bet. No for bonus because 1,000 players. I mean, other people say the exact opposite. Other people say that when there's too many players, then there's no hope for a bonus. So which one is it? Crazy time with a 5x top slot. And look at us, we got our first pachinko. Let's go. Okay, welcome everyone. Starting off with a 3x. 5, 7, 15, 20, 40, 50. Oh, 200 and double. Looking good, looking good. So the highest is 200x. Let's drop it, everyone. Let's hope we hit the double.
This is the amount of money issued, 57,135 euros.
Theory was incorrect. All right. So how many bets placed? So that was at 200 for that pachinko.
And the bets are open now, so let's go for another round. Hope a good one. Also, I have to ask you this. If you will have a movie based on your real life story, what will it be titled? The title of my life? Sausage Party. No. Actually, good luck at one. No, not that one. I don't know what movie has sadness, depression, anger, and all of that bad stuff. 7x and cash hunt. OMG Nocti. Well, here's the cash hunt with a 7x top slot. Yo! Crazy. Oh, I'm sorry for shouting, players. This is just awesome. 500x? Or lots of 100s? Not okay. Well, we have 100 with the top slot of the 7x applied. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Max multiplier is 700x. Let's go. 350, 175. I mean, 175, there's so many of those. I like this. That's gonna be the new highest one as well. Oh, let's go, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, your time to shine. Pick a target, pick a good one, or let the outpick choose for you. What do you think it's gonna be? 700x. I'm going for the...
This is the amount of money issued, 77,443 euros.
Right there, I got the lowest one. And there's only 2 of those. Wow, 2,315 winners. Congratulations, everyone. And the bets are open now, so let's go for another round. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, if I would place the bet, I got the 35. And yeah, that's one of 2.
I still remember the first time I watched K-drama. 20x on 10. Whoa! I hate looking into subtitles. I even asked my friend, how do you manage to watch K-drama while reading subtitles? Really, I love it.
This is the amount of money issued 49,029 euros.
Number 10. 20x Topslot. Look at that little 200x action. Did you see that? 786 winners, compliments, guys. That's a catch and a half. Boom, bam, let's go. Really, I really love subtitles. I watch everything with subtitles. Even if I understand English perfectly, I still watch subtitles. It's just, I don't know.
Bingo plus Z4K4DL, Bingo plus I1 WAGM, Unol custom VVS, H, and quadruple H is the top 5. Let's go again. My highest, 4,000x on Pachinko. Is this my last session? No, after this I'm gonna have another even shorter session in Funky Time. Point flip with the 3x, this time a bit smaller. I would still take it. I guess can't say no to a crazy time as well. Have to just embrace it. See you on the other side this time. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to rumble? Woo! Crazy time number 2 of the session. That is what we love to see. Right, decision time now open. Pick your own colors, green, blue, yellow. That's up for you to decide. That's what I love about crazy time. Decision time closed. Max multiplier is 100x. Let's give it up. Twenty blue, 25 yellow, but double on the green, baby. Nice. So, max multiplier for now is 200. Let's give it another push. Boom, 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 boom. Double number 2 on the green. These are the flashbacks to yesterday, except yesterday we also had a 15x on it. Okay, max multiplier for now is 400. Let's give it a push again.
This is the amount of money issued 131,103 euros.
I can't stop winning. Congrats to all the winners that time. 400x on crazy. Woo! Love you too, Queen. Love you too.
And every one of you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? How many minutes, Jimmy? 15. 15 minutes. 15 more minutes and we outie. We are out of Cheerio, Delirio, Papirio, Papanova, Labadip, Gabbajuice, Bibidoo Babadoo with the beep bop, crazy time, gets a 4x from the salsa. Yabba dabba dooba, yabba dabba dabba dooba. Oh, yes! Yes, thank you, Lord! Thank you, management. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I would like to give a shout out to my mom, my sister, my girlfriend, my car, my welcome to Crazy Town, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it, you heard it, you heard it, you heard it. Yo, Larry, I miss you, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, finally something. Finally something. We got ourselves a crazy time with a 4x Topslot, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Let's beat that highest win of today. Come on, choose your flapper. Is it gonna be green? Is it gonna be blue? Or is it going to be yellow, ladies and gentlemen? Which one is it? Blue is the most favorite one. 400x is the max multiplier. Hopefully we can hit some doubles. Have a nice day and see you later.
This is the amount of money issued 67,125 euros.
Okay, 60x on blue, 140x on yellow, and a 400x on green. 1,106 total winners. Congratulations to each and every one, ladies and gentlemen.
My congratulations. Thank you, Chu. Choo-choo. Thank you, thank you. Okay, pachinko, pachinko. How about pachinko, though? Punchy, punchy, punchy. Gonna get you one way or another. 20x on pachinko. Please. Hi, Beams. Hello, how are you? Guys, we got a pachinko with 20x. I'm gonna get you one way or another. Yo, guys, look at this. Do you see this? Welcome. Show us. We start with 5x. That's a good start. 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, and a double in the very corner. Times 20. So it's just so beautiful. Oh my. So 2,000 is the top multi. Good luck. Where are we going? Can we get...
This is the amount of money issued 149,289 euros.
Exodus? 1,486 winners. Congratulations, everybody. I mean, we did it. That was something. I love how the pachinko came after my very stupid song.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.